Gross! Crow's nest!
This is the bathroom on the Carnival Celebration, room 11295. It's a typical balcony. There's your toilet. There's your sink. There's some shelves over there with a vanity mirror and see the towels. Okay, across from the toilet is where your shower is. It's got a nice shower door, no shower curtain. It's got a hook. It's got a grab bar. There's a shelf. They provide you with shampoo and shower gel. There's your water adjustment. Little bar down there for the ladies. And up here is a handheld shower unit. Across from the bathroom are where the closets are at. And you've got like 4 doors here. There's plenty of room in here. They give you all kinds of hangers. There's these shelves that you can flip down, put stuff on. There's 2 of those in here. Down here's a lower shelf. And then way down on the bottom is a shelf you can pull out. There's 2 wire shelves like for socks, underwear, stuff like that. This is where your safe is located. Here's another shelf. And way up there is another bar to hang stuff on. There's another closet right next to it. It too has 2 doors. And still, again, plenty of hangers. Another one of those shelves that folds down. A lower rod, like for children, or if you're disabled, there's a good rod there for height. Another shelf that will flip down. Over here, more hangers. And another shelf that'll flip down for you. And there's plenty of floor storage for shoes and stuff. After the closet's the vanity area, and it's got a long countertop table, and there's a seat underneath to sit on. You can sit there, you can look in the mirror, do your makeup, etc. There's a lot of outlets here. There's 3 American style, and there's 4 USB ports. Come over here, there's a shelf there, and then there's a shelf up here. Down here is where your, they don't call it a refrigerator, they call it a cooler. Over here you got 3 drawers, and you can see there's your laundry bag, and you see there's not really anything in here. Hair dryer bag, and this one's empty here. Okay, looking back towards the door from the bed, you got a full-size couch, and they also give you towels for the pool. And then there's the vanity area again, the seat for the vanity. And that's pretty much it. It's pretty spacious, kind of a long entryway. The bed comes with either a king size or 2 twins, however you want to configure the room. Over on each end, there's a little night table thing, and there's a night reading light, and under that light is a USB plug. Coming over to the end of the bed, there's your television, there's your balcony, and you can see Miami outside our window. Okay, so in order to get out onto the balcony, you have to grab this handle and go from the 12 o'clock position down to the 6 o'clock, and then it just easily slides. You walk out. There are 2 chairs out here. There's a table, and it's not a bad sized balcony actually. And you see again, there's Miami over there.